Hi there, welcome to Kevy Shaves. Nice to see you, nice to be back here. As you can see, I have my flower ears. I don't know why I done that. As you can see from the title of the video, it says, happy birthday to me, even if it is a bit early. I got contacted, I sent an email. I was chatting to a good friend in the States, Ernie Rocha. How you doing, Ernie? Good to hear from you again. And he said, I'm sending you a package for your birthday, even though it's a bit early. I can't explain why, but you will know all about it once the package arrived. So I didn't know what it was coming, but I'm going to show you what it is now. I'll save the best to last. But he sent me a few soaps, a cream, and something else that I'll show you at the end, the main birthday sort of gift. Right, so what did he send me? Gillette Pure, a tub of this, it's all sealed up. So I've not tried this before. I've heard it's good stuff, so looking forward to trying that. He sent me 2 Black Ship grooming soaps, High Seas, and this one says High Seas Hits is the frozen, High Seas Hits is the frozen sea air peppered with black sea salt, oud and rich dark woods. And there it is there, brand new tub, unbelievable generosity, beautiful scent, really nice. I know Kelly Hogan's soaps are very good, Black Ship grooming, so there we go, there was that one. He also sent, as I think this was an early Christmas gift, Christmas Cannons Black Ship grooming. And this one is fresh fallen snow mix with cranberries, ozone, pine and juniper to make this a holiday favourite. So there's that, brand new tub there. Nice scent on that as well. Also, he sent this, Crown King Old Salty. Nice scent on this. He told me it's the scent on this is named after a bath soap. I can't remember which. I'll put it on the screen right now. Right, so that's the soap it's scented after. Old Salty, PAA. Nice scent on it. Nothing too offensive. And this is in the CK6 formula. So thank you very much, Ernie. Appreciate that. I love that label. There's a character here called Captain Birdseye, and he looks like that. He does like battered fish and fish fingers and stuff like that. So anyway, right, now to the main event. Right, okay, this was the birthday gift that Ernie sent me. This was the main reason. He had one made. It's a brush. He had one made for himself as well. And he says, I had one made for you. So there's only 2 of these in the world. And it's this. Here's the brush here. Now you might think, okay, this is I think it's a 24mm Boss knot. Right, so the colours on that are green and kind of red purple at the top. I hope that's coming across on the camera. This was made by Leo Frilo, very talented brush maker. But the colour schemes that Ernie chose were because these are the colour schemes of the flower of Scotland, which is the thistle. And on the bottom there's a coin. So you can see the colours there of the green on the bottom of the thistle and the purple or purple pink fuchsia on the top. So Ernie has one exactly the same as this, but his has the coin on his has like a close-up a close-up picture of the thistle. But here it is here, unbelievable, really, really nice, nicely made. You can see the kind of sparkle in that. Yeah, beautifully made by Leo Frilo. I hope I'm saying your name right, Leo. So thank you very much, Ernie. I shall treasure this. It's a beautiful brush. I love the coin in the bottom. Yeah, and remember, if it's not Scottish, it's crap. That was my Scottish coming out. Look at the veins in the neck. Right, so that's the brush. So Thank you, Ernie. I really, really appreciate your generosity and kindness yet again. You've done so much for me, sending stuff, but this brush is just the icing on the cake. Really nice. A great birthday gift. Am I not allowed to use it until my birthday? No? Okay. I'll use it. Yeah, very, very nice. So thank you once again. Just to show that, there's the Thistle. Thistle make you happy. Oh, the puns are coming quick and fast today, Kevy. Thistle make you happy. Yeah, the brush does make me happy. Very nice. Right, that's all from me for today. Thank you very much. A short video just to say thank you, Ernie. I'm humbled by your generosity and appreciate the gifts, especially this brush. Very, very nice. And I shall send Leo a message and thank him for it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.